This is how you make one of the best lemon pepper wings. Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time we're making lemon pepper wings. These lemon pepper wings are gonna be much better than Wingstop. I'm gonna serve these wings with a very nice sauce and fries. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with the wings. I'm using here both the wingette and drumette. Now some people like flat, others like drumette, so this will cater for both. But trust me, Halal Chef doesn't mind. Now squeeze in juice of a fresh lemon, good touch of salt in there, and some of this cayenne pepper for flavor. Give this a really good mix and let it brine for a few hours or overnight for best results. For our lemon pepper seasoning, first of all we're going to remove all the zest from the lemons. I'm also going to add zest of one orange, just a hint of it. It's just going to add a bit more flavor in there. Now using a zester or a peeler, remove the outer layer of the lemon and the orange. It's best if you can use a good quality peeler. The process will be much faster this way. Now when you're peeling this, just make sure not to remove too much of the white part of the lemon. We don't want the seasoning to be bitter. Now once you have peeled them, it's best to thinly slice it so they can dehydrate faster. Now place them on a tray and evenly distribute them. Now these goes into the dehydrator for at least 7 to 8 hours or until they're completely dried out. You could also do this in the oven, but a dehydrator would work best. Now the zest has been completely dehydrated, let it cool down, and then we're gonna blend it. Now transfer this into a blender and blend this until nice and fine. The aroma of zest is so good. Now to prep the seasoning, here with the lemon zest, coarsely grounded black pepper, a mix of garlic and onion powder. We're gonna enhance the flavor with a bit of the citric acid, and finally some salt. A really good mix to that and set aside for later use. Have our amazing lemon pepper seasoning. Done. Now for the dredging with the plain flour, with the lemon pepper seasoning, garlic and onion powder. Now if you like a bit of kick, you can throw in some cayenne pepper, but this is totally optional. With the salt and some of this MSG as well, which is again optional. And finally I'm using here a bit of the thyme powder. Now give this a really good mix and set aside for later use. You should be able to taste your flour, it doesn't have to be bland. Now before we start coating our chicken, turn up the heater on medium high. Here with the oil, you could use any neutral oil, and you want to bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius, and you want to maintain the temperature. Now to coat our chicken, grab your flour, some of this cold tap water, and of course your chicken. I'm just gonna give it a quick mix. Alright, so this is how we're gonna coat the chicken. First the chicken goes into the flour. Give that a really good mix. Now shake off the excess flour, and this goes into the water. Just keep it there for a few seconds and then remove it, and this goes back into the flour. Again, a really good mix to that. Get a good coat of the flour. And shake off the excess flour, and this is what you're looking for. Now these go straight into the hot oil. Slowly lowering the chicken. Now we're going to let these cook for around 6 to 7 minutes until they are nice and golden brown and the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius, which is roughly around 165 Fahrenheit. Alright, so our chicken is ready. Look at that. Drain off the excess oil and remove it on a rack. Now for the lemon pepper butter sauce, turn up the heater on low. Here with the water. Now you want to slightly warm up this mixture, but don't bring it to boil. Now with a cold tablespoon of butter and let them melt away. We're going to slowly emulsify this mixture. You can see it's beautifully coming together. We're going to continue to do this until the sauces come together. Just look at that. So beautiful. Or once you have this beautiful consistency, let's season it with a lemon pepper seasoning. You can add more or less depending on your liking. A mix of this garlic and onion powder. We're going to balance the acidity with some of the sugar. A light pinch of salt in there. And finally some parsley and fresh lemon zest. Now give that a really good mix and combine everything. Have a little taste. Wow, your delicious lemon pepper butter sauce. Done. Now if you need to reheat the sauce later on, then it's best to do it gently on a very low heat. Otherwise your emulsion in the sauce will break and you don't want that. Now we're also going to serve it with a bit of the sauce, but we want a sauce that is a bit contrasting to our lemon butter sauce. It with the buttermilk, garlic mayonnaise, pickle juice, some of this chili sauce, whole grain mustard, touch of this cayenne pepper, freshly ground black pepper, salt, and finally some fresh parsley. And I'll give this a really good mix and combine everything. Also, the sauce looks great. Let's have a little taste. Adjust any seasoning if you need to. Trust me, this sauce is gonna be amazing with our lemon pepper wings. And now with your wings, you wanna coat them in batches. With your lemon pepper butter sauce, give that a really good mix. And look at those amazing lemon pepper wings. Looks so delicious. Alright guys, let's plate this up with your wings. Serving it with some of the fries and our sauce. That looks so delicious. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Let's have a look at those wings. Bismillah. Wow. These are so delicious. The buttery lemon flavor, it is so good. Let's try some of those fries with the sauce. Bismillah. The sauce is amazing, those flavors from the pickle juice. The flavors are perfectly balanced. Bismillah. I'm gonna try the wing with a bit of the sauce. Bismillah. Oh wow, these are one of the best lemon pepper wings that you're gonna try. I would highly appreciate it if you can get this video to 5,000 likes and share it with your family and friends. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.